Hello everyone, it's me, Dr. Glitch. How's everyone doing today? Today, I want to dive into an issue that is affecting millions of people worldwide: insomnia. Are you experiencing it? If so, let's explore the reasons behind it together. Before we dive deep into insomnia, let's talk about something even more important: health. As you all know, health is absolutely crucial. It's the foundation of everything we do. Imagine if you had a body full of energy, I can guarantee you would work efficiently, study better, enjoy time with family and friends, and do the things you love. Good health not only helps us complete tasks and learn new things, but also helps us stay alert, focused, and in control of our lives. So, what happens when our health declines? When we don't take care of ourselves properly, problems start to appear, like fatigue, memory loss, weakened immune system. And one of the main causes of these issues is insomnia. Without quality sleep, everything becomes harder, and the body will react with signs like headaches, reduced energy, even memory loss. So what is insomnia? Why do we suffer from it? How serious are the consequences? Let's explore together. Part 2, Understanding Insomnia, Causes and Consequences. Dear friends, insomnia is not just about difficulty falling asleep. It includes the following: difficulty falling asleep. You often find it hard to fall asleep, even when there's nothing specific bothering you, or you've tried everything to make it easier, like lying comfortably, breathing steadily, clearing your mind, or even counting thousands of sheep. The restless feeling of tossing and turning all night prevents you from drifting off. Waking up in the middle of the night. You wake up during your sleep and can't fall back asleep, even after just a few hours of sleep. This leaves you tired the next morning, making the day ahead feel awful. Waking up too early. You wake up very early, sometimes at 3 or 4 a.m., and can't fall back asleep no matter how hard you try. Essentially, insomnia can be divided into 3 types. Type 1, transient insomnia. This lasts for a few days, often triggered by a change in routine or temporary stress. For example, staying up late preparing for an important exam or having an unexpected business trip. Type 2, short-term insomnia. This lasts for a few weeks and is usually caused by prolonged stress factors like job loss, family conflicts, or work pressure. And Type 3, chronic insomnia. This is the severe type, lasting longer than 3 months, often linked to medical conditions, psychological disorders, or other long-term health issues. So, what causes insomnia? The causes can stem from various factors: psychological factors like anxiety, stress, or depression. Lifestyle habits such as drinking too much caffeine or alcohol, or eating at irregular hours can affect your sleep. Environmental factors like noise, blue light from phones, or an uncomfortable bed can make it hard to sleep. Medical issues, including health problems like sleep apnea, chronic pain, or hormonal imbalances, can lead to insomnia. And what are the consequences of insomnia on our body? Chronic insomnia not only makes you tired, but also causes serious harm, such as memory loss and poor concentration. You'll struggle to complete tasks, study, and make accurate decisions. Psychological issues can arise, including loss of emotional control, irritability, or even depression. There's also an increased risk of illness. People with insomnia are at higher risk of cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and obesity. Plus, a weakened immune system is a concern, as lack of sleep reduces the body's ability to fight off illness, making you more susceptible to colds or infections. So, how can we combat insomnia? Let's explore that in the next section. Part 3. Treatment and prevention of insomnia. treating each type of insomnia, that's right, we have treatments for each type of insomnia that you can explore and apply. For transient insomnia, reduce stress and create a quiet and relaxing environment before bed. For short-term insomnia, you can try light exercise, limit caffeine intake, and eat lightly before bedtime. For chronic insomnia, consult a doctor. You may need more specialized treatments like cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia or medication when necessary. So, let's talk about some methods to improve sleep. Some methods can help improve your sleep. First, change habits. Set a consistent sleep schedule. Aim to go to bed and wake up at the same time each day. Avoid using phones or computers before bed. Next, relaxation techniques. Try relaxation exercises like deep breathing, yoga, or maybe even listening to calming music to help your body unwind and fall asleep more easily. And finally, nutritional support. Drink a warm glass of milk or eat a banana before bed, as they can help relax your body and make it easier to fall asleep. Insomnia treatments at hospitals. When insomnia is prolonged or more severe, you may need intervention from a specialist. Hospitals can offer more advanced treatments. Cognitive behavioral therapy for insomnia, or CBTI, is a non-medication treatment that focuses on changing unhealthy sleep habits and thoughts. You will learn how to relax, manage stress, and improve your sleep habits. Doctors may also check for underlying conditions like sleep apnea, psychological sleep disorders such as depression or anxiety, to treat the root cause of insomnia. Medications commonly used to treat insomnia. In some cases, doctors may prescribe medications for insomnia. However, medications should only be used when necessary and under the guidance of a doctor. Common medication types include mild sedatives, such as benzodiazepines or non-benzodiazepines, which help reduce stress and make it easier to fall asleep. However, they should be used under medical supervision to avoid dependence. Some antidepressants like trazodone can help improve sleep for those whose insomnia is caused by depression or anxiety. Melatonin is a natural hormone that regulates sleep cycles, and supplements may be used in cases where the body lacks this hormone. Over-the-counter sleep aids, like diphenhydramine found in allergy medications, can be used temporarily, but watch out for side effects. If your insomnia persists and doesn't improve with natural methods, I recommend seeing a doctor for timely consultation and treatment. Medication should also be taken under a doctor's supervision to avoid side effects or dependence. It's important to listen to your body and not take medication without a doctor's guidance. Each body reacts differently, so insomnia treatment needs to be personalized. Additionally, I'd like to share a few ways to prevent insomnia for those who feel slight signs of trouble sleeping so we can prevent it. You can try the following methods. Set a reasonable sleep schedule. Don't change your sleep hours too much. Create a habit of going to bed and waking up at the same time. Keep your sleep space quiet, dark, and cool. A comfortable sleep environment, turning off all lights, and reducing noise will help you sleep better. Limit long afternoon naps. Napping too long will affect your night's sleep. I've just shared information on insomnia. How do you feel? If you're experiencing insomnia, try applying the methods above to improve your sleep quality. Or if you have any questions, leave a comment below and don't forget to share this video to help others improve their sleep. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to not miss any useful videos. I'm Dr. AI Facts, so tight, always right.